And India's External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar has reached Bangkok to attend the ASEAN Foreign Ministers Summit. S. Jaishankar met with the China Foreign Minister Wang Yi on the sidelines of the ASEAN Summit. Earlier, the minister attended the ASEAN-India ministerial meeting where he made his opening remarks. Jaishankar highlighted the importance of ASEAN as an economic bloc in Southeast Asia and called for greater maritime security in the region.
Given our Prime Minister's enunciation at the Shangri-La Dialogue in June 2018 of a free, open, inclusive and rules-based Indo-Pacific, of which India is an important part, we warmly welcome ASEAN's decision to articulate its own views of the concept. Engagement with ASEAN has been and will remain a critical element of India's Act East policy and strategy. Acting East is now also a means to implement our Indo-Pacific outlook. Indeed, that is its logical extrapolation.
And the minister is also likely to have a pull-aside with the U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo on the sidelines of the summit in Bangkok. The meet is especially a high-stakes one, since this is the first time that leaders from the two sides will be meeting after Trump's controversial comments on mediating in Kashmir. Earlier this month, Trump had said, remember, that he is willing to mediate on the Kashmir issue and had claimed that Prime Minister Modi had discussed this during a bilateral meeting on the sidelines of the G20 summit in Japan's Osaka. The president's claim was strongly and outrightly refuted by the Indian side. And it was S. Jaishankar who led that charge. Speaking on the floor of the Indian Parliament, Jaishankar said that Prime Minister Modi had made no such request to Donald Trump and that all issues between India and Pakistan would remain bilateral and will be guided by the Shimla and Lahore Agreement.